Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ghost on any rod. First, understand that ghost refers to making your rod's guide wraps appear invisible, creating a sleek, custom look. To begin, gather your materials: new guides, specialized wrapping thread, and a 2-part epoxy finish. Next, prepare your rod by carefully removing all existing guides and their thread wraps. This initial step is crucial for a clean foundation. Once you have your rod ready, use a sharp blade to carefully cut and peel away all the old guide wraps. Be gentle to avoid scratching the rod blank itself. After removing the wraps, thoroughly clean the entire rod blank with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue or oils. This ensures proper adhesion for your new wraps. Now, lay out your new guides, wrapping thread, and 2-part epoxy, ready for the next steps. Now it's time for guide placement. Use a guide spacing chart or measure precisely to mark where each new guide will sit on the rod blank. Securely tape each guide in place temporarily. Then, using your specialized wrapping thread, carefully wrap each guide foot, ensuring tight, even tension. Once all guides are wrapped, apply a thin, even coat of 2-part epoxy finish over the thread wraps, rotating the rod for smooth, consistent application. After applying the epoxy, it's critical to allow it to cure completely. This typically takes a full 24 hours, during which you should keep the rod rotating slowly to prevent drips. Once cured, carefully inspect all your new wraps for any imperfections, ensuring they are smooth, clear, and durable. Your rod now has that ghost look. For other great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for your car, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.